welcome back to my channel. Today we dive into something new and quite interesting, the viral Kunafa chocolate. I am super excited but a bit nervous to try this one out, especially since it's been a bumpy ride with the delivery. Let's see if this sweet lives up to the hype or if it's just a letdown. Make sure you stick around till the end for my final thoughts. Alright, so this chocolate arrived via delivery service. Now delivery is one of the biggest delivery service uh, in India, but to be honest, I had couple of not so great experience with them. So usually they take at least a week to deliver. And guess what? This packaging definitely not handled with care. I am tad worried about the condition of the chocolate inside. However, it's a relief to see that the chocolate is bubble wrapped. That's a plus. It might keep some of the damage at a bay, but the outer cardboard packaging is visibly damaged. That you can see on the screen, which isn't a good sign. Surprisingly, the chocolate was packaged well inside. I wasn't expecting such a good packaging from this brand at first. I was ready to praise them, but then I realized it's just a normal wrap. No special treatment at all here. I already put the chocolate in the fridge just in case it melted during the transit. It will have a chance to solidify again. But oh boy, just by feeling the package, I can tell the chocolate inside isn't in one piece. My hopes aren't high right now. Here it is. This is what chocolate looks like. Honestly, it appears pretty cheap. Let's dive in and give it a taste. Ew, it's like a poison. Wait, I might be eating it wrong because I'm eating it only one layer. Let me try by combining all three layers. Mm, nope, nope, still not good, but slightly more bearable. Honestly, it tastes so cheap. I wouldn't recommend the buying this. If you are feeling adventurous and want to gamble with your health, go ahead. But for me, it's a big no. I am totally bombarded about wasting 100 Indian rupees on this. I can't imagine how it feels for those who paid the 300 INR MRP. My condolence. I am not a chocolate expert, but I have had my fair share of chocolate and kunafa to say this just doesn't taste right. So this is how I honestly want to do something with this thing to take my anger out before closing the video. Let me do. Waste of money. That's it for today. Review of the Kunafa chocolate. It was quite the experience to say the least. Thanks for watching till the end. And if you enjoyed this honest review and found it useful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Your support helps me to bring more content like this to you. And hey, check out another video over here or here.